What's up, guys? It's Dante down here at Granite Run Buick GMC, located in Media, Pennsylvania, 19063. In this quick video, guys, I want to showcase right behind me for a 2026 GMC Sierra pickup truck, one of my new favorite accessories, which is a tonneau cover. So it's a bed cover, but is the hard rolling cover. So I want to show you how easy this is to use, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, the first thing you're going to see is the install, super professional, done right here in-house at Granite Run GMC. And it is super flush, tight fit, as you would expect. The other great part about going with GM accessories, right from the dealership, the ease of use. Let us do the install. You don't have to worry about tools. You don't have to worry about the right weather conditions or space in your garage. It's also covered by the GM and accessory warranties, which is also a great peace of mind. Let's quickly show you how this works. I'm gonna unlock the tailgate, I'm gonna drop it down, and what you're gonna see is you're gonna see one pull tab right here. So let that focus. So I'm on the driver's side, one pull tab. I'm gonna unlock it. I'm doing this one-handed, and there you're gonna see the construction of the underbelly. And watch this, one-handed while I film. Look how easy this is. It just rolls right up into the back of the cab. Now, a lot of customers that get the any year realistically, but the pickup trucks, this is a crew cab sure bed. A lot of clients, and the most popular item right now that they add is the tri-fold. So it's a 3-fold hard tonneau cover. But the one thing I want to say is, if you're ever carrying something big and hauling something like, let's say, huge piece of furniture, and you need to open it up, what's going to happen is, if it's fully open with the hard cover, you're going to block your rear window, so your view when you're driving. So what I'd like to show you is this, you still have full visibility while you're driving, the way it rolls up. So this is fully rolled up. You'll have latches down here, tether straps that you could secure to the back right here, holds it in place. And then when you're done, you unload it, one-handed, and you just keep rolling, 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 rolling. Lock and load, and off you go. So this is one of my new favorite accessories, guys. It is the rolling cover for your 2026 GMC Sierra. They come in short bed, they come in the standard size bed, guys. Get it installed through your GMC dealership, so that way you also take advantage of the value warranty on your GM accessories and parts, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have to showcase this one more time. I just love it. Look, bam, one-handed, and we're gonna just keep rolling, 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 and we're gonna keep rolling it up, and then we're done. We're gonna roll it closed. This is my new favorite accessory. I want every client of mine that gets a pickup truck, wants a bed cover, to get this. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this little video. Hopefully this will help you if you're shopping for what tonneau cover to get for your new GMC pickup truck. And of course, if you're in the market, you can always reach out to me here at Granite Run Buick GMC, located in Media, Pennsylvania, 19063. My name is Dante. You'll find me online, find my contact information. Let's go. Have a great Friday. Thank you for watching.